Neural networks are fascinating systems that mimic the way our brains work, but in a mathematical framework. At their core, they consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information. Think of it like a web of tiny decision makers, each contributing to the final output. The first layer receives input data, which could be anything from images to text. This data is then passed through hidden layers where the real magic happens. As the data moves through these layers, each neuron applies a mathematical function to it, transforming the input into something more abstract. This is where the concept of weights comes into play. Each connection between neurons has a weight that determines how much influence one neuron has on another. During the learning process, these weights are adjusted based on feedback, allowing the network to improve its predictions over time. This adjustment process is known as backpropagation. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them various pictures, and with each example, they adjust their understanding until they can identify a cat on their own. Neural networks operate similarly. They learn from examples, adjusting their internal parameters until they can make accurate predictions or classifications. One of the most exciting aspects of neural networks is their ability to generalize from the data they've seen. This means that once trained, they can recognize patterns in new, unseen data. For instance, after being trained on thousands of cat images, a neural network can identify a cat in a new photo it has never encountered before. This capability is what makes neural networks so powerful in applications like image recognition, natural language processing, and even game playing. To visualize how these networks function, there are several tools available. TensorFlow Playground, for example, allows you to experiment with different architectures and see how changes affect the network's performance in real time. Similarly, platforms like Teachable Machine make it easy to train a neural network using your own data, providing an interactive experience that demystifies the process. Understanding neural networks is crucial in today's AI-driven world. They are the backbone of many technologies we use daily, from virtual assistants to recommendation systems. By grasping how they work, you gain insight into the capabilities and limitations of AI, empowering you to engage with this technology more effectively. The more we learn about neural networks, the better equipped we are to harness their potential and innovate in our fields.